Okay children, good evening. Welcome back to the lesson number 18, Industries. So children, this is the last lesson of your textbook. So which exercise had remained? So today I am giving it. So please try to complete the given notes. Okay children. Okay, first one on page number 122. Tick the correct answer. The first one is cottage industries require very few people. Very few people. Second one, manufacturing hosiery items is an example of small scale industries. Small scale industries. Third one, shipbuilding industry is located in Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam. Fourth one, the city known as the Silicon Valley of India is Bengaluru. The city known as the Silicon Valley of India is Bengaluru. And fifth one, industries help in employment generation, growth and development, improving economic condition. So the answer is all of the above. Means all three are correct. All three are right. Okay, children. So same as I said in 17th lesson, please you have to write the question and the answers. So first one is very few people, second small scale industry, third one Visakhapatnam, fourth is Bengaluru, and fifth is all of the above. The next one is B. Match the following. Children, I have written only the answers. The first one is iron and steel Durgapur, and locomotives, that is Chittaranjan, and the third one is aeroplanes Bengaluru, fourth one is automobiles Gurgaon, and fifth is jute the Kolkata. Durgapur, Chittaranjan, Bengaluru, Gurgaon, and Kolkata. So next C, fill in the blanks. C, fill in the blanks. So first one, raw materials are converted into finished goods in industries. Second one, cottage industries are run in homes. Third one, chemical plants is a large scale industry. Fourth one, IT. Bangalore, Hyderabad and Chennai are main IT centers. Fifth one, India is fast becoming an industrial nation. So the first answer finished. Cottage, large scale, IT and industrial. Okay children. So next we have question answers. Exercise D. D. Answer the following questions. The first one, what is an industry? Industry is a place where finished goods are manufactured from raw materials. Industry is a place where finished goods are manufactured from raw materials. So second question, differentiate between raw material and finished product. So the answer is here. Raw material is that which is converted into finished product, and finished product which has converted from or made out of raw material into finished product by industries, which has more value than raw materials. Next one, third question answer. What are the things that need to be taken into consideration while setting up an industry? To set up an industry, following factors are taken into consideration: raw materials, power, land, labor, finance, transport and climate. Raw materials, power, land, labor, finance, transport and climate. Okay children. So fourth fourth question. Write 3. Children, the question is very long here, so therefore I have not written the question. Please write down the question. Okay, you write down the question. So the question is that write 3 differences between a small scale and a large scale industry. Name any 5 major large scale industries in India and the places where they are located. So small scale industries use small machines and employ more people. They make utensils, furniture, plastic, goods, hosiery items. And the large scale industries employ thousands of workers, require huge amount of money, and use modern and heavy machines. So the 5 major large scale industries in India are where they are located and which are the major. So this is the answer of fourth one, children. Don't get confused. This is the continuation of the answer, question number 4th. The first one is a textile mills, mostly found in Bengaluru, Mysuru, Kanchipuram and Varanasi. Second one is iron and steel, located at Buckrow, Rourkela, and automobile are located in Chennai, Mumbai, Pune, etc. Children, there are many places, but I have written only 2 or 3 places. Fourth one is shipbuilding, located in Kochi, Mumbai, and Marmagao, etc. And locomotives made at Chittaranjan, Varanasi, Kolkata. Okay, so these are the answer of the fourth one. Next we have the fifth one. Why are industries important for our country? Why are industries important for our country? The answer is industries play an important role in the growth and development of a country. Industries play an important role in the growth and development of a country. So therefore industries are very, very important in a country. Okay, children, so here we end the complete what you call your textbook. So there were 18 lessons, so 18 lessons I have completed, and even I have given all the 18 lesson question answers, children. So don't think that today is the last day and you can sit to close your book and sit. So try to complete everything, all the subject try to complete, so that you have a completion of everything. Okay, children, so take down the notes. Those are not written so far, what I said in the online class, remember. So take care of yourself, your notes, so everything keep it neatly, children. Thank you very much for cooperating during this pandemic COVID-19. So you have been always present. Almost I had about 50 students present in all my online classes. So I am very grateful to you, dear children. So please take care of yourself, your health. Don't go to play here and there. So health is very important. Okay, children. Okay, take care. Bye bye. See you. Okay, children. All the best for your next academic year. Okay, children. Okay, bye.